Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Digital Advice. In today's video, I am going to share with you a very magic and special shortcut key or tip that helps you a lot in performing different tasks if your mouse is not working properly. So, in routine, you place lot of your required applications on your taskbar, and with the help of that, you can perform your different tasks. So, as you see, there are different multiple applications available on my taskbar as Microsoft Edge, as well as Google, and many others. So let's suppose my mouse is out of order. So how can I navigate among the different application placed on the taskbar? For this purpose, you press Windows T simultaneously, and you see a square boxes appear on the icon of our app of Microsoft Edge. And with the help of arrow keys, you can move or navigate from different icon applications. So move your required application. As in my case, I want to open my Outlook mail, so I have placed my square box on mail icon box. So I enter, and phew, my mailbox open without using the mouse. I hope you will like this small tip, and if you like this video, hit the share button and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Assalam.